in this video we are going to discuss about uh, this one, that is the, just a second, yeah, Dalton's atomic theory. Okay, so Dalton's atomic theory, this one. According to Dalton's atomic theory, all the matter, whether an element or a compound or a mixture, is composed of small particles called atoms. The postulate of this theory may be stated as follows. So remember that whenever we are writing the postulates, the uh, words or the language or whatever is the sentence should not change. We should write as it is. Okay. So let us see the first one. Number one, all matter is made up of or is made of very tiny particles called atoms. So we know that atom is the basic building block of any matter, right? That is the first one. Next one, atoms are indivisible particles which cannot be created or destroyed in a chemical reaction. That means we cannot divide an atom. Okay, atoms are indivisible and atoms are not created or cannot be destroyed in any chemical reaction. That means, suppose in last video I told you this type of chemical reaction, suppose X plus Y, and it is giving us a product, the name of the product is XY, suppose. Okay, now there are suppose 10 atoms of X, there are suppose 20 atoms of Y, then in XY how many atoms will be there? 30. Okay, that means whatever number of atoms are taking part in the reaction, in product side we are getting the same amount of atoms. So atoms cannot be destroyed or cannot be created also. Whatever it was in reactant side, the same amount we are going to get in product side. So that's what is said in postulate number 2. Then postulate number 3, atoms of a given element are identical in mass and chemical properties. So in a given, for a given element, suppose if I say oxygen, so all the atoms of oxygen will look like same, or their chemical properties, physical properties, everything will be same, they are alike. Okay, then they are like same in every way, they are same. Okay, so that is number 3. Then number just a second. Okay, then number 4, atoms of different elements, this one, atoms of different elements have different masses and chemical properties. Obviously, suppose for oxygen I will write O, for nitrogen I will write N. So their chemical properties, physical properties will be different, of course. So atoms of different element will show different properties. That is certain thing. Number 6, the relative number of and kinds of atoms are constant in a given compound, right? Suppose if I write water H2O, so you see that in one molecule of H2O, 2 atoms of hydrogen are there and 1 atom of oxygen is present. So that means whenever we write the formula for water, we will always write H2O. We never write H3O or H4O or H2O2. No, water is always H2O. So that means the chemical composition is same. So for water, 2 hydrogen atom and always 1 oxygen atom will be there. So that's what is said in property or postulate number 3, that the relative number and the kind of atoms are constant in a given compound. Okay, so till now we discussed up to this topic. Then some question answers are there. So I am giving you this question answers as homework. Question number 1. Then okay, only one only. Question number 1 will be your homework, and next questions, how many are there? That one we will discuss, like number 2, 3 and 4. This 3 we will discuss. Number 1 is your homework, and okay, you can solve it and you submit it in Google Classroom. Okay, I'll give you this question there itself. So you're going to submit it on today's Tuesday, so you will submit it on next Monday. All right, thank you.